Annyeong chingudeul. I just came home from work and I'm so happy today because I received my Daewoo dishwasher. In Korean, it's called 식기세척기 and color is white gold. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I decided to buy this one because I use computer a lot at work. So when I arrive home, I have to wash the dishes and I feel the pain on my hands. Before, my husband doesn't want me to buy this because he said we need to install it. But I saw on the internet there is a dishwasher that you don't have to install. You just have to plug it and you can operate it. Okay, I will open. Okay, I'm opening it. So it comes with manual as usual. So it comes with the parts. This one, the handle and everything. So it comes with a water cup as well, hose, and the bottle tray. Okay, these are the button, power on, and everything. And we can only use 5 liters for this. And this one, and putting the chopsticks and fork, spoon, like this. My husband is a handyman. He can do it by himself. So, color white and gold. My husband already bought the steam wash detergent for the dishwasher. This one, Korean brand. This one from Canada. Nellie's dishwasher powder. The color. And inside, there's the water cup and other utensils. So you just have to put the hose behind. I turn it on and I will put my husband is doing the honor. Oh, 조심. All set. I'll close this and I put the detergent here. To put the water here, and I will put water. Putting water. So if you can see the water pipe, so it means water filling, and if the water is enough, it will automatically remove. 자동으로 하네. 이거
됐어?
소리 났다니까.
불 꺼졌어?
응.
됐어?
A few moments later.
1 minute remaining and it's done. Okay, turning off automatically. Okay, you see? And okay, still hot, so I can't remove them, but you can see very clean because it was steamed as well. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong. Good night.